Hey everyone, it's me, Rai, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Koval Pro Sketchbook crafted in Poland, and it is 100% cotton watercolor paper sketchbook. I've been hearing and reading a lot about it, and I definitely wanted to try Koval. I've been using a lot of etcher sketchbooks and moleskins over the years. Thought I'd try something new. This tape is quite interesting. It feels like paper tape, which is pretty cool. So it kind of blends in well with the packaging. I'm opening it up, and inside I could see there seems to be sample paper, which I thought was really cool. If you are interested in buying more Koval sketchbooks, you could see what kind of sketchbook paper you like. That little sliver was a receipt that was packed in on the side. Everything looks to be packed in quite snug. And here are some stickers. It says, made by hands, created by heart, Koval sketchbooks. I love that. All these sketchbooks are handmade, and they really pride themselves about it, so I can't wait to see the craftsmanship that went into it. Here's some sample papers. I love that they give you some samples if you're interested. I got cold pressed paper for this sketchbook, so they gave me a couple samples of cold pressed paper that they make sketchbooks out of. So I know when I'm shopping next time I can have these handy. I also like it because I could use it as a little tester strip if I need to test my watercolor media that I'm going to be using on the paper to see kind of how it reacts as well, which will be pretty cool. I'm really digging the texture and the character to all this paper that they sent, so I feel like if I ordered any of their books made with these papers for cold press, I'd be really happy. Of course, it's great paper. It's Arches and Fabriano, so can't really go wrong there. Let's see, we got another little sticker made by hands, created by heart. Just a great slogan for when you go to the website and when you watch any of the videos of their sketchbooks, you could tell that they're really well made, so I can't wait to see this in person. Another little slogan on their front from their same slogan, but just written a little differently. It's really cute. So a closer look at the back of the box. The book is not moving inside, so it feels really snug, which is great for shipping. Came all the way from Poland all the way to San Francisco, so that's great. And I love how it's wrapped in paper. The cardboard paper's there, and then the outside box is there, and then even the tape they had on the outside of the original packaging that would have shipped in also was paper, so I just like this whole theme throughout. Made the unboxing experience feel really special. Move these aside, and then I'm going to open her up. Really does feel like Christmas whenever I do these unboxing videos. I've seen this sketchbook probably at least 100 times, images of it, and nothing compares to seeing it in person. This is really exciting. The Pro Sketchbook. It's crafted 100% cotton. I got the Arches Aquarelle, and there's also Saunders Waterford they have, and Fabriano Artistico. I got the 17 by 25 centimeters, 300 weight. Surface is cold press, and the shade is natural, and there's 36 pages. It's really sturdy in my hands. I love the feel of it. This little strap is something I heard that was great, is that it's not built into the sketchbook, which a lot of sketchbooks build it in, but then if it's like stretchiness, then you'd have to like clip it off, or you just have this dangling elastic part. This one is cool because it's not connected, so you could always replace it if you wanted to, or put a rubber band or a different kind of band around it. My first impressions of this was just, I was shocked. I was a little speechless, so this is all voiced over after, so I'm going to read some of this. Thank you for choosing the sketchbook. We sincerely hope that it meets your expectations. This sketchbook is handmade, crafted exclusively from tested and certified materials. Koval Sketchbooks has developed its own method of sewing and gluing, utilizing only certified premium and renowned cotton papers. The production of Koval Sketchbooks occurs in small batches through a special process designed to maintain a high level of repeatability, unattainability for machine binding, which is true. I could feel this when I'm filling it. Each sketchbook is individually signed during the manufacturing process, marked with a unique artisan number and carefully placed between the folds of the sketchbook signatures. That's what you're seeing here. What really sings in the sketchbook is the paper. This Arches Aquarelle paper is just magnificent. And I could see the threads sewing together the signatures of the book, and the paper, it just really, you just feel it. It says you could remove this little certificate thing. I'm going to do that later when I start sketching in here. But yeah, I mean, that's what it's about, right? This paper. I'm just trying to find a really good quality sketchbook for watercoloring, and I love that it's just highlighting such quality paper. You could see the binding of the signatures is beautiful. The thickness of this paper is just so great. I just can't wait to start watercoloring on these. Now, at the time of making this video, these go for around $85 USD. Not a sponsor, by the way. So it is quite costly. I mean, you're purchasing a lot of it. Is this paper is really high quality and expensive. You do get 36 pages, and what you're also paying for is this binding. And as I'm inspecting this more, I've done paper and bookmaking classes, and I just can't get over, I know how it feels to have to bind a book and do this, and it is it takes a lot of patience, a lot of skill, and just the way all the signatures line up so well and so clean. I'm just highly impressed. Like, this is something that you can't just mass produce. The care that was taken to glue these edges to fold this kind of leather textured material over, it's something I can't stop looking at. How well it's all crafted, just the evenness that the page sits on the binding is incredible. Now, the sketchbook won't stay like this for long because I'm going to be watercoloring in it, and it's going to get used, but I just want to show you how it looks and really highlight the craftsmanship of this. Somebody took a lot of care to put this together, and I hope if you're able to experience this, you really enjoy painting in the sketchbook. I know I'm going to enjoy it and really savor each page that I use. For unboxing, I just want to say, first impressions, I'm really impressed, and I can't wait to do a follow-up review of how my experience was working in the sketchbook. If you have any questions about the sketchbook, let me know, DM me or comment. You could DM me on my Instagram, RaiRaiPaints, or you could also leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you so much.